Never put a dirty backpack in the washing machine until you see this. One mistake could ruin the backpack or even damage your washing machine. After everyday use, backpacks often collect mud, dust, and other dirt, while sand, crumbs, and small debris build up inside the pockets and hard-to-reach areas. Before washing, empty every pocket and remove everything from the inside. This prevents sand and small stones from scratching the drum or clogging the filter. If the backpack has a removable frame or rigid inserts, take them out before washing. Next, close all zippers and buckles and tighten or secure any loose straps so they do not hit the drum during the wash. Place the backpack inside a pillowcase. This protects the fabric from rubbing, reduces the impact of buckles against the drum, and prevents the straps from becoming tangled. Put the backpack in the washing machine and add 2 or 3 towels to cushion it and keep the load balanced during the spin cycle. Add a laundry detergent pod, then select a delicate or hand wash cycle at 86 degrees Fahrenheit with a maximum spin speed of 400 to 600 revolutions per minute. The low temperature and gentle spin help protect the fabric, zippers, buckles, and internal structure from damage. Once the cycle is finished, remove the backpack immediately, open all the zippers, and hang it in a well-ventilated area. It is best to secure it to a drying rack by the top handle or hanging loops so it keeps its shape and dries evenly. Do not put it in a tumble dryer, as the high heat may warp or damage the material. Once dry, the backpack will look clean and almost like new, ready for everyday use and your next adventure. Put your dirty socks in a bowl with water like this. They'll be clean and regain their white color. I don't waste time scrubbing socks anymore. I remove the dirt from them, but I don't have to rub them with my hands. Anyone who has white socks knows they get dirty quickly. They can turn gray and dirty in no time. If your socks look like this too, get a bowl ready and do what I do. Pour half a liter of hot water. Take baking soda. Baking soda is great for removing dirt. Measure out 1 tablespoon, put it in the bowl with water, and mix well until it dissolves. You need dishwashing liquid. It effectively removes various stains, even greasy ones. Measure out 1 tablespoon, and add it to the water. You also need vinegar. It softens water. Measure out 2 tablespoons and add them to the mixture. Stains and dirt will disappear faster thanks to it. Add another tablespoon of regular table salt. Our grandmothers already knew about the washing properties of salt. Mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients dissolve. The laundry mixture is ready. Now just soak the socks in it. Leave them in this water for a few hours. If the socks are heavily soiled, you can increase the amounts of each ingredient. After a few hours in the water, your socks will be clean. The dirt will disappear. This mixture always works and handles the most soiled socks. Your laundry is taking too long. We know the surprising reason. You've probably noticed that the program often lasts longer than what's shown on the display and barely changes. Here's why and what you can do about it. The first possible reason is the valve connected to your washing machine. Check if it's fully open. If it's not, the machine takes longer to fill with water. Another crucial step is to inspect the washing machine filter to ensure it's not clogged, as this affects its performance. Overloading the drum is another common reason for extended washing times. Make sure not to exceed the recommended load. As you might guess, this is a very common issue. When doing laundry, make sure to leave about 1/5 of the drum empty. Also, check your washing machine's load capacity to avoid overloading, which automatically extends the washing process. Another mistake many people make is using too much detergent or fabric softener. Excess suds signal the machine to work longer. Follow the instructions on the detergent label for the correct amount to use. By following these tips, you'll make your washing machine run more efficiently and save yourself time. Your laundry has never smelled this good. The scent will last for days, even a week after taking clothes out of the closet. All you need are a few simple ingredients. Grab a bowl or a small container. Choose a fabric softener with a scent you love. Pour 3 measures into the container. Then add the same amount of water, 3 more measures. Mix the solution thoroughly. Now prepare some soft cloths. For this amount of liquid, take 2 or 3. Cut one in half. Do the same with the second cloth. Place all the cloths in the container, ensuring they're fully soaked. These cloths can be stored for several days. They're perfect for tossing into the washing machine. Add your usual fabric softener to the detergent drawer. During the wash cycle, the clothes will absorb the beautiful scent, and rinsing will only enhance it. These cloths also work great in the dryer. Throw one in with your laundry, and your clothes will smell better than ever. Just load the wet laundry as usual and toss in a soaked cloth. After use, return them to the container, ready for the next wash. Do not hang wet clothes this way. You can fit many more pieces of clothing in the dryer. Most people hang clothes on the metal crossbars of the dryer. This way, only 5 shirts fit on one wing. It turns out that many more can fit on this part of the dryer. Take some clothespins and grab the shirt by the bottom, then fasten it across the wing. Next, hang another shirt in the same way. With this method, you can hang up to 10 shirts. Hang them side by side on the lower rack. Not only will you use space more efficiently, but the clothes will also dry faster. Fabrics hung like this have much better airflow. Thanks to this drying method, ironing is also much more enjoyable. Clothes straighten out under their own weight. This will make your white clothes gleam like fresh hotel linen. After several washes, white clothes do not always look as bright and flawless as they did when they were new. Fabrics can gradually turn gray and lose their freshness, while stubborn marks often remain around collars, cuffs, and underarm areas. The way you dry your whites is also extremely important, and I will explain why in a moment. Start by reaching for Classic White Cif Cream Cleaner. Make sure you use the original white version. It contains fine cleaning particles and active ingredients designed to help remove stubborn dirt. This makes it useful for refreshing white fabrics and helping them look cleaner and brighter. Measure out 1 scoop of the prepared mixture and pour it directly into the washing machine drum. Then select a delicate or hand wash cycle at 86 degrees Fahrenheit and start the machine. As soon as the cycle finishes, take the clothes out, shake them well, and hang them up. However, the way you dry white laundry matters just as much. Leave plenty of space between each item so that air can circulate freely and the fabrics dry evenly. Cotton towels, bed linen, and other durable white fabrics can be dried in direct sunlight. Sunlight acts as a natural brightener, helping whites look fresher while also reducing unpleasant odors. More delicate clothes are best dried in the shade to protect the fibers from intense sunlight. Once everything is dry, your white laundry will look fresher, cleaner, and noticeably brighter. It's a simple laundry habit that can help your favorite white clothes look their best for longer.